Do you guys want to unbox a wig with me? Let's pull out my brand new Beach Wave Magic from TressAllure. I throw on a wig grip with my TressAllure wigs because they run a little big on me. I have an average petite head. I love, love, love this wig. So this is made with their brand new Look Fabulous Realistic Lite fibers. They are so incredible. This is actually the second one of these that I've had. I kind of ruined my first one because I wasn't careful. That's a story for another day. So when you pull a wig out of the box, you want to play with it, comb it out, fluff it up, kind of get to know it a little bit before you make any changes to it. With this wig in particular, I love getting a little bit of lift in the wig with their fabulous wig wax spray product. This is the best spray product I've ever used on a synthetic wig. It can be used on human hair as well, but it is so great with synthetic. And I like to get a little lift in this piece, a little volume. It doesn't have permatease, so this helps so much. Just love this wig.